guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I am so excited because it's a Sephora VIB sale right now, and I went to Sephora and we did some damage. So you guys want to see what I got during the Sephora sale? Well, then definitely keep watching. Alright guys, so typically I don't really go crazy during the Sephora sale just because I tend to buy things that I want throughout the year, and I don't know, by the time there's always a sale, I never really know like what I truly want to get. Like I do my wish list, and then when the time comes to like actually spend the money, I'm kind of like, do I really need it? I get really frugal, and then I'm like, I don't know what to do. But I decided to head to Sephora this morning since the sale just started, and we got a couple things. So with that said, guys, go ahead and grab a snack, relax. I'm gonna tell you guys everything that I got, but also I wanted to say welcome back to another episode of Vlogoween. So originally this morning, I filled my cart up with all these different items, and I was okay, I'm gonna get this palette, I'm gonna get this foundation, I'm gonna get this concealer and setting powder, and I'm gonna get things that I generally have talked to you guys about throughout the year and last year. It's like, let me do it. Let me just finally splurge the money and just say, fuck it, let's go for it, right? Well, then I was like, you know what? Let me go in person. So I went in person, and when I got there, I deleted everything out of my cart. And the reason being is that I knew realistically I was buying stuff to do reviews on, of course, but also just to have, just because I felt like I needed to. And I realized ultimately it's not going to be fully worth it for me. Like I really wanted to get the Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 5 palette, but it's like $125. Sure, I could save 20% off of it, but how often am I going to use it? Like realistically, how often am I going to use it to make it actually worth it for me? So I decided to go ahead and just forego that because I have the fourth one and I don't use it as much as I want to. So I knew that realistically me and the fifth one would just not be worth it in my opinion. Same thing with some of the foundations, concealers I had in my cart. I knew that, yeah, I try it for a YouTube video, I might fall in love with it and I might keep wearing it, but I also, there's a very good chance I might not like it because I've done these videos last couple years, and every time I've done the sales, I bought stuff and then I tried it and then I ended up not liking it. You know what I mean? Because if you guys have seen those videos, I've liked some stuff, but then I've also hated some stuff. So it's like, you know what? Let me just try something different. Let me kind of bring it back old school Allie, like old school Allie. And I'm actually really excited about this. So we're going to go ahead and dive straight on in. So the first thing I have, now this right here, this was not purchased during the sale. I actually did purchase this 2 weeks ago, but I really wanted to show you guys because I'm really excited about it. But I did pick up the new Patrick Ta. This is the Major Dimension like holiday face set. I really wanted this. It sold out several times on Sephora, and when I saw it was back in stock, I immediately got it. I did not hesitate. So I could finally show you guys. I was just saving it for this video, but here we have the Patrick Ta. This is the Major Dimension holiday set, and this is going to come with four blushes and like 4 little like eyeshadow toppers right here. Now mine came in really nicely, although I will say these eyeshadow toppers are like so like literally, but like seriously, they are gorgeous. Now these are glitter based, and you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of glitter, but I thought, why not give these a go? And I still cannot find like the loose glitters that he rolled out with. I cannot find those anywhere. I had you guys tell me that I had you guys saying that some of you guys got them and returned them, but I can't find them anywhere. If you guys can find them, please let me know. I really want to try those. I wonder if they got pulled because I cannot find them anywhere, like anywhere. No one's talking about them. They're not even on Sephora's website saying they sold out. They're not even Patrick Ta's website. So I'm kind of wondering like what happened, but I'm really excited to dive into this palette. This looks so much fun. I really wanted this palette. I'm really excited. I love all of Patrick Ta's stuff. The only thing I did not get this year was the Major Dimension Volume 3 palette because that is an all matte neutral palette. I knew I would not really get a use out of it, so I went ahead and I went ahead and just didn't get that one. But I'm really excited to play with this palette. I've been holding on for the last 2 weeks, and now I get to show it off to you guys. And yes, we're gonna be doing a try on somewhat of the things I got. I didn't get everything, but we'll definitely do a try on. Next, this was actually gifted to me by a wonderful subscriber. Her name is Hannah. She went ahead and she gifted me the Huda Beauty Baby Bake right here. This is in the shade Pound Cake. Now I saw they actually had sugar cookie for the first time in stock in my Sephora. I almost got it, but I was like, you know what? Let me try this one first. I haven't had a chance to try this. Let me try the baby version first. If I end up liking it, then I'll get the full size. But if I don't, then I'm not going to sit here and waste my money getting it. And I almost got the pressed powder version of it because they had all the shades there as well. But I was like, I don't know. I actually swatched a couple shades on my hand, and some of them actually look like it had like a shimmery finish or like a radiant finish. And I'm just like, that would not be for me. I need matte, 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 not anything radiant, not anything shimmer. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to pass. I was very proud of myself. I'm going to pass. So I ended up not getting those. But I am going to try this out first. If I really do like it, then I'll just buy the full size. Even if it's like after the sale, that's okay. Because they do have the Sephora sale. And then they do have a cast member appreciation weekend, again, where you can save 20 to 30% off, kind of depending. And that's after. So like there's another chance for you to get it just in case. Really just wanted to try this first before we buy the full size. So thank you so much to Hannah for sending that my way. I also want to give a huge shout out to Wendy, because Wendy was really sweet for my birthday. She did send me a Sephora gift card that I did use for the sale. So Wendy, thank you so much. You did not have to do that, but I'm really, really excited to show you guys what I got. So now we're going to move into what I actually got. So starting off, up first, this was my little birthday gift. So I had a choice between this or the Ilia little mascara set, and I decided to get the Glow Recipe. This is for my birthday. This is going to include the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner and the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop. I'm actually really excited about this. This is a free gift for my birthday. They did ask if I wanted to use my points to save $10 off, and I said no, because I am saving my points for a particular item, which you guys will see in the future if I ever get there. But I'm actually really excited. So this is my little birthday gift. All right, now before I dive into everything I bought, I just want to let you know I wanted to bring back Old School Allie. And Old School Allie was all about the travel sets, the deluxe size sample sets. I, as of last year or two, have been so invested in just buying the full size and just going for it. And then I end up either not using all of it, end up decluttering it, or end up not liking it. Now, there are some products I ended up really did liking, like the La Mer setting powder, but there's also stuff I did not like at all. So I was like, let me go back to old school and let me start getting sets again, like travel size set, get the most for my buck, because I don't know if I'm gonna like these products or not. If I end up liking them, I will get the full size later on. But I also have so much makeup. I have so much makeup that I'm never gonna be able to go through all this in my lifetime. There's just no freaking way. Plus, makeup also expires. I've been doing my declutter series, so I knew I did not want to sit here and buy big full-size products unless I really, really wanted it. I wanted to get small sample sizes because that's a great way for me to test out a product to see if I really like it or not. So that's what I got, and I'm actually really excited about it. So up first, this is not makeup, but I got the Paula's Choice. This is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This is a salicylic acid. It unclogs and shrinks large pores. It smooths an even skin tone. It's a lightweight liquid that quickly absorbs quickly. I bought the little mini size last year, and I really fell in love with it, so I made a point to get the big size this year. This is why I get the small sizes, because it allows me to try a product to really test it out, if I really like it. And I did, so I went ahead and I bought the big size right here. Almost, by the way, I almost got the Charlotte Tilbury water cream, but they had the full size for $100, and I just I want the mini version of it to see if I really like it, because I do love the Charlotte Tilbury's original magic cream, but there's a water cream version, and I want to see if I really like it. So if I find the mini size version online, I'm probably going to end up picking that up, because that's something I do want to test out. But next, I'm really excited about, I found a little mini version of the Givenchy. This is the Prism Libre Matte Finish Enhanced Radiant Loose Powder 4-in-1. I got the shade 2, which is Satin Blanc. It's for fair to light complexions. So this is just a little mini version, although this shit still costs like $30. And I wanted to get the little mini version because I have put this on my wish list for the last several Sephora videos that I've done. This has always been my wish list, but I never actually invested in the full size thing. And then they had a little mini version, and I was like, that's it. Let me get the mini version. If I end up falling in love with this, then I'm going to go and buy the full thing. But if I don't, at least I didn't waste my coin the way that I could have. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited about this one. This is so cute. I'm super excited to try this out. I've always seen people talk about this. I just want to see how small this is. So I knew it was time. I knew it was time. She's so cute. Oh, I love it. And this kind of reminds me of like the Play by Sephora that I used to be so in love with. This is great. This is going to last me quite some time because I do have already so much setting powder. Oh my god, that's exciting. Next, I got the Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Exhilarate. They finally had them in stock. I swatched it. I was deciding between this one or like the lighter one that they had, and I just decided to go ahead and get the one that's like a champagne gold shade because I knew realistically I would get more use out of this one. So I went ahead and got this. This came out last year. I never got a chance to get it. And now I did because I knew I really wanted to try this out. So this is the one thing I did allow myself to purchase full size of. And I'm so excited. Like, look at how pretty this is. Like, look at how pretty this is. Like, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. So they finally had these back in stock, so I knew I had to pick it up. I've heard amazing things about this. People fell in love with this when it came out like a year ago. And I'm finally getting it. Next, I picked up I picked up the Glow Recipe. This is the Strawberry BHA Pore Smoothing Blur Drops. This is the full size. I told you guys I was going to restock on this, and I was not kidding. This is the one thing that I knew I had to pick up because mine is almost empty. I hated this thing. I hated this thing when I first tried it. I actually hated it for like the first couple weeks of trying it. But then out of nowhere, I fell in love with it because truly it doesn't do shit for my pores, but my God, is it great for oily skin. It just really helps to lock in it really just helps to lock in your moisturizer and your skincare underneath while keeping you matte. And it blends so well with any sort of primer that you put on top of it and foundation. It really just makes your makeup last all day. I love this product so much, so I knew I had to get a restock of this, and I did, and I'm so excited about that one. Next, I picked up this Rare Beauty set right here. So this is the Everyday Rose. This sold out so freaking fast. They put these on the shelf. I grabbed one, and then everybody else grabbed one, and then boom, it was gone. So this is going to include a lip oil and lip liner duo. Now, I have never tried the lip products from Rare Beauty that I recall, so I'm actually really excited to give this a go. What I like is that it actually is like the full size, and I believe this set only costs like $25. And I'm actually really excited to try this out. So let me go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's actually a really pretty combo. Wow, I'm actually really excited to try this out. Like I said, it was only like $25 for the set, and I was like, what a great way to try out these products without breaking the bank and doing so. This is why I love that they do this right before the holidays, because they have all these holiday sets, and these holiday sets, I swear, are where it's at to get like the best value for your coin, because you can get so much, even if they're smaller versions of it, but you can get so much for such a little price compared to the full size. And so I'm really excited about this one. We're definitely gonna be doing a full face trying the products I got for Sephora. Next, I did pick up the Laneige. This retails for $22. This is going to include the Sleeping Lip Mask in a peppermint shade and their glowy lip balm in a berry shade. I really love the smell of this. This smells incredible. I had the chance to smell it in person, and I really fell in love with how amazing this thing smells, so I knew I had to pick it up. Oh my God, so freaking good. I'm really excited for the set. It's $22. You're not breaking the bank. I know this is going to last me for quite some time because I do have quite a bit of lip oils and lip balms that I have on my nightstand and my purse and on my desk. And so I know this is going to last me for quite some time. So definitely worth the price point in my opinion. Next, I did pick up this set right here because I was so excited when I saw this, but they have a Living Proof Believe in Dry Shampoo. Retails for $41, and it's going to include the dry shampoo and the Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. If you guys don't know, this is my absolute favorite dry shampoo. I literally use this all the time because my hair gets greasy like there's no tomorrow. If I don't wash I have to wash my hair either every other day because of how greasy my hair gets, but this dry shampoo is a godsend for me. These are two full-size products in here for $41. You truly cannot beat the price point with this. So I saw this and I immediately grabbed it, and I got so excited. So this is definitely a must for me. Okay, so up next, I did pick up the Tower 28. This is the lip duo, so it retails for $24, and it's going to have the lip duo in it's the cookie butter edition. It's a glossy lip duo inspired by the cookie butter, featuring milky lap jelly and chestnut, a warm brown with a gold shimmer with a hint of holiday spice, plus the best-selling Shine On lip oil and chili to glaze any lip look. I'm actually really excited about this. I always wanted to try the lip products from Tower 28, so I saw this little mini set right there, and I knew I had to have it, so I definitely picked it up. Like I said, I think getting the sets is just so worth it in my opinion, because it's a great way to try out the brand without like breaking the bank to do so. So if you don't like it, you didn't spend as much money, which I really do love. Next, I saw this in person and I just knew I had to get it because I've talked about this damn lip product for a while, but I did pick up the brand new YSL. This is the Candy Glaze Double Care Balm. I got the shade Nude Pleasure, and I saw this and I was like, you know what? Let me finally get this. I have seen it for quite some time. I've talked about this. I've always eyed it. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick this up. I was really excited to try this out, and I saw the full size. They did have some like lip kits available, but they didn't have what I wanted. So I just went ahead and just picked up the full size. So this is another one of those full size ones I did get, but I had a feeling I was going to like this. I did swatch it in person, and it is absolutely beautiful. I did want to pick up the one size setting spray, but unfortunately they did not have the setting spray available. I talked about it in my video yesterday. This is my absolute favorite setting spray, and because of TikTok, it's been sold out like crazy. I think Angelica told me the mini size version of this is available on Sephora's website, but I don't know if it still is now. But I just want the full size, and whenever I find it, I'm going to buy it. I hope they bring it back. I was so disappointed they didn't have it. Last but not least, I was going to pick up some Sephora sets. I was going to pick up like the lip set. I was going to pick up the like clean makeup at Sephora. I was gonna pick up the luxury set, but then I actually like went in person and I saw them and I was like, I'm not really excited about these. Like, I'm generally not really excited about these, but there was one set that I knew I had to get, But then I got kind of torn because I saw 2 of them and I was like, shit, which one do I get? So I ended up picking up the one that I knew was the best value for me. I got this Sephora favorite. This is the perfume sampler right here. Now this does retail for $85. You get 16 sample sizes in here, but you do get a coupon in here, or like a voucher, that allows you to get a full size of one of these perfumes at no extra cost to you. That's just like a little cool thing they do every single year. And I knew that I wanted to get this because I love the Flower Beauty right here. I love the Flower Bomb. I really wanted to try the Missing Person. There's Versace, there's Replica, there's Black Opium, there's Valentino, there's Tom Ford. And I just knew this is going to be a better buck for my value. But there was another set that I almost got, and it's the clean products at Sephora. And there's this one perfume in there that I fell in love with. And I'm probably going to get the sample size online, honestly. And it's from Ellis, and it's called Salt Life. Oh my God. It was like so freaking good. It's probably one of the best smelling perfumes I've ever smelled. And it's also a brand called Clean Reserve. I did smell some of the like sparkling sugar perfume that also smells really good as well. And they also have I might get this depending. They have a Kate Allie little fragrance set. It's $25 for these little tiny miniature ones, but there's just one that's like a cherry one, or like, no, an apple one. Oh my God, that smells so good. I might end up picking up that up on Wednesday because I'm gonna pick up the new Huda Beauty palette. I might end up getting one of those like little perfume samples in there, but I just feel like this is where you get the best value for your buck. So I'm really excited to smell these perfumes and then pick out the one that I like the most and get it for free at the full size, no extra cost to me. So that is everything I got during the Sephora Rouge sale as of right now. I really don't intend to pick up much more besides like the Huda Beauty palette and probably one of those little perfume samples again. I don't really intend on picking up anything else, but I will say I originally started this morning with getting like foundations and concealers and setting powders and stuff that like I knew I was just going to get because I said I'd always get them. But then when I actually walked in the store and I actually saw these sets, I was like, oh my God, why don't I just get the sets? Why don't I get the sets? Like that was a great way for me to try out some of these products without breaking the bank to do so. I get a better price point with it. I saved more money. And I'm actually really excited about these sets right here. You guys have no idea how excited I am. These are products I generally have been eyeing for quite some time, off camera, on camera. And I'm actually really excited about my purchase. It got me so like thrilled, and it was so cool. I had a lot of fun doing this. So that is my Sephora Rouge sale. Let me know down below, was there anything I got that you guys were interested in? Is there anything that I should check out during the sale? Like I was trying to find that Tatcha like water gel set. I was trying to find that set. I could not find it in stores, so I might have to look online. They don't have any La Mer products there. I wish they did, but that brand again is too expensive for me. But they did have some cool stuff, like some cool holiday sets that I was looking at online. And you guys can also find the bin. Those are kind of like where it's at if you do want to try a brand but don't want to like break the bank doing so. Check out their value sets and their gift sets. Those are so much more worth it, and then you save 20% off of it if you're a Rouge member. So I'll have everything I talked about linked down below. But yeah, guys, that is my Sephora Rouge sale haul. I'm really excited to try out these products. You guys will definitely see me featuring these in like a full face of trying out new makeup or just get ready with me. You guys will see me trying out these products, but that is what I got. So thank you so much to Hannah for sending this over and to Wendy for the gift card. You guys are so incredibly sweet, and I'm just excited to try out these goodies. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post almost every single day in the month of Vlogoween. Also, please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Our Word of Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video.